Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about binary file of file handling. So first of all, what is binary file? Binary file is which contains the information in 0 and 1 format only. Okay. If you want to read this binary file, then you have to write one Python code. Okay. To read this binary file. Now you can see there are different types of modes. Okay. For the reading and for the writing purpose of binary file. Okay, one module is used in this binary file, okay, for the reading and for the writing purpose. Okay, first is dump and second is load. Dump module is used for the uh, writing purpose and load module is used for the reading purpose in binary files. Okay, now first program is, you can see this first program. This program is used to create the user information. Okay, this program is to create the user information through binary files. Okay, you can see we have given this reference. Okay, one binary file will be created on the desktop. Okay, and we have opened this file for the writing purpose and we have created as one object. Okay, now all this information will stored in this binary file. When you can see the execution of this program. When you will execute it, okay, you can see this will ask you to enter the roll number. You will enter the roll number and name. For example, I have entered Rohan and marks. Okay, if you want to enter some more information, then press yes, otherwise no. Okay, for example, I have pressed no. Okay, you can see we have given one information of the student. Okay, now you can see this information will be stored in this file. You can see this binary file, okay, on desktop. Now if you want to read this binary file, then you have to execute this program. Okay, this program is for the reading purpose of binary file. Okay, you can see this. When you will execute it, you can see we have opened the same file on the desktop, from the desktop. Okay, and we have created one empty list. Okay, and here we will in this program we will load this file in this empty list and we will print it. Okay, you can see here with the help of try. Okay, try object, try function, we have used one empty in try object one, we have used one empty list. Okay, we have load this file in this empty list and we have copied this file in this object, in this file. Okay, now you can see when we will execute it, we can see the output. Okay, you can see like this. You can also execute this program. Okay, you can also execute this program without try means we are just trying it to execute. Okay, in case this is not executing, then error will not come. Okay, okay, if you want to execute this program without this try, you can see this. We can remove this. Okay, we will write here a, we can write here a. Okay, because we will load this file in this object and we will print it. Okay, and we can remove this also. Okay, and print will come here. Okay, when you will execute it, you can see the output. Okay, this will be like that. So there are two methods to read the file. One is with the try method and one is without try method. Okay, so these are the two methods. Okay, try these two programs of binary file.